Welcome! Today on our ShiftSetGo cooking show, we are going to make ourselves some hearty beef chili. And it's a lovely, lovely, super hearty chili. You are going to love this. So we're going to make some ground beef in here. I'm not going to actually go over to the stove because it's kind of warm today. So I'm going to go ahead and just do it like this. So just pretend like my beef is all ground, okay? It's all brown. Then we're going to add in a cup of riced cauliflower. And oops, let's get all that in there, all that lovely goodness. And then we're going to take, it's a teaspoon of olive oil. Put that in. And then we're going to cook this down for a while. We want all this cauliflower to get nice and soft. There we go. I'm just going to mix it together so you can kind of see. But you'll have this on the stove and it'll start smelling really good here about now. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our fire roasted tomatoes. And this is a cup of fire roasted tomatoes. And then we're going to have some crushed garlic, and that's kind of to taste, but we've got probably about a teaspoon here. Depends on how much you like garlic. If it's me, I could probably use 3 teaspoons, but you know, it's up to you how much you like it. So we just rock on this for a while until all these flavors start melting in together. And then we're going to add one of these packets, and we're going to pre-cook it just like this. One of these packets of our own special yummy ShiftSetGo vegetable chili. So I'm going to add that all in there. Just going to keep cooking this up, cooking it up. Oh, it smells so good already, and I'm not even on the stove. Yum. So when we get done, this is what we have. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I don't want to spill it, but it smells so good. I hope you try this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, let us know. We would sure love to hear your comments. Thank you for joining us today. Have a wonderful day.